Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2011 Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 Coupe we have new in stock. This Lamborghini Aventador is finished in the optional Nero Nemesis matte finish paint, which is about a £20,000 option. You've also got this paint protected by a £6,000 full body satin PPF film. The PPF being in satin so you don't lose any of the effect from the Nero Nemesis matte finish paint. You've also got the aftermarket Vossen HF3 alloy wheels finished in matte black. You've got the optional yellow brake caliper kit as well. You can see the central aesthetic grille set at the rear surrounding the exhaust. You've got the transparent engine bonnet as another optional feature with the carbon fibre engine cover. You can also see the optional rear view camera system being displayed here just below the Lamborghini badging. You've got a full black on black leather interior with the Lamborghini logo embossed into the headrest. You've got your leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel, your Aventador kick plates. On the center console you can see some of your infotainment controls, your push to start button with the red folding cover. You've got some of your dynamic driving modes, access to your heated seat functions. From the controls further up you can see them being displayed on the center screen here. You've also got some more of your, and on the last row of switches you can see access to the optional front axle lift system. On the center display screen you can again see the reversing camera being shown here. You've also got front and rear parking sensors. The center screen infotainment system also works in pair with the optional Sensonium sound system, which you also have on this LP700-4 Aventador. If you'd like any more information, would like to see the full list of specifications, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.